New day, same Albus. Poor sweetie baby. His life is so rough. So apparently yesterday Russ took him 3 separate times to try to see Randy, and every time it was a failed mission. So we have concluded that Albus has been moping all day today because of his experience yesterday. And he literally just told me, yes, I'm talking about Albus. Albus just told me it was time to leave the dog park to come see if Uncle Randy was home. Baby, I am so sorry about your luck. So sorry about it. But you look so cute with your little bandana, with your little eye boogers. I know, man. I know, it's very rough. Let me get these gnarly boys. Looks longingly in Randy's direction. Come here. Hi. Do we need to schedule an Albus and Uncle Randy play date? Poor baby.
A few moments later.
Yes, he's home. No, he didn't surprise me. But yeah, he's home. Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks so good. Yeah. Albus, you eat better than most people.
It's like a UN food drop.
He is crazy. Does Lily like to eat this? Does she like to eat me at all?
She doesn't hardly eat anymore. She's really slowed down.
I
She hasn't
love
eaten
her
24
little
hours.
flower. Oh my god, is she fasting?
I think she got bellyache.
Poor thing.
I gotta keep an eye on her drinking though. She doesn't.
Guys, benefits of being friends with Uncle Randy. I know you think this is for you. I don't know about this. We can split. Come on, bud. Insane. Look at this cut. All that marbling.